Hey there, I'm just taking down the hair that's going to be locked. The sides in the back are shaved in a Mohawk type style. So she wants the front of her hair locked. So here I'm just showing how much hair she actually has. She has a lot of hair. Here is the parting initially. I wanted to make sure I had the parting as neat as possible. Since the edges and the back are shaved, I wanted to make sure that all the parts aligned. It did take about an hour in the initial parting to part properly. Here is where I started the locks in the back. So here I'm done with the back two sections, and I am just double checking that the parts align. I will say the most difficult part to align was around the curves of where the hair was shaven, as well as in the front, to make sure that all the squares, the parts aligned and that they were equal. I was trying to get a quick close-up of how I began the twist lock. Basically, you start as a braid and you just braid over maybe 3 times, and then you begin to twist all the way down. Here we are at day number 2, about an hour and a half into twisting. So here we are finishing up the left side on day 2, under 2 hours. I did have to take, or I decided I wanted to take a few rows of loose and redo them because I really didn't like the parting spaces, and I wanted to make sure that they were as equal as possible. And she was satisfied. I was satisfied as well. And here is the left side completed, and basically the same process was done on the right side. On the right side, due to the cut, there was a little bit less hair on that side, but it turned out absolutely beautiful. And one of the things that she wanted was to make sure that the undercut didn't show as her locks grew out, and I think we accomplished that. Here is her hair pulled up so you can see the back. And here is a quick video with her phone to show everything in its completeness. And she was very happy, and I was very happy as well. And as her locks mature, they are going to swell and they are going to look absolutely beautiful, in my opinion. Thanks for watching.